It is the 21st century. We have cars that drive themselves silently. We have phones that recognize our faces. We have dishwashers so quiet they need a laser light on the floor just to tell you they are running. But the moment you turn on your vacuum cleaner, it still sounds like a 747 taking off inside your hallway. It brings up an obvious question. Why? With all our advanced engineering, why can't we make a vacuum that doesn't scare the cat? The answer is fascinating, and it has nothing to do with motors or fans. It has to do with psychology. The reason vacuums are loud is simple. You wouldn't buy a quiet one. In the world of industrial design, there is a field called psychoacoustics. This is the study of how humans perceive sound and how that sound affects our feelings about a product. And when it comes to cleaning, our brains have a very specific bias. We equate noise with power. Several major vacuum manufacturers have actually built ultra-quiet prototypes in the past. They used sound-dampening foam and precision motors to reduce the noise to a gentle hum. On paper, these machines were perfect. They had the exact same suction power as the loud models. But when they tested them in focus groups, the results were disastrous. People used the quiet vacuum, looked at the floor, and said it didn't pick anything up. They didn't trust it. Because it didn't scream at them, they assumed it was weak. They assumed the motor was broken or the battery was dying. So, the engineers had to go back to the drawing board. But they didn't add more power. They added more noise. Today, companies spend millions of dollars in sound labs tuning the specific audio profile of their machines. They don't just want loud. They want a specific kind of loud. They tune out the high-pitched whines that sound annoying, and they amplify the low, deep whoosh sounds. That deep, aggressive roar is there to communicate aggression. It tells your subconscious, I am a strong machine, and I am attacking this dirt. It is the same logic used by car manufacturers. Sports cars often have sound pipes that funnel engine noise into the cabin because drivers feel faster when it's louder. So the next time you are vacuuming and you have to shout to be heard over the noise, just remember, it isn't a flaw in the technology. The machine is perfectly capable of being quiet. It is just shouting because it knows that's the only way you'll respect it.